Assalamualaikum class. Hope you all are fine and enjoying a very good health. It's a math class and we are doing Cambridge checkpoints math 1. We will discuss about the question from book as well as we will also discuss about the question in the workbook. As we have started chapter number 1. So students, our today's topic is order of operations. Whenever you do calculation in maths, you have to follow the order of operation. And what is that you have to solve brackets first. Any operation in brackets is done first. Then we have to solve the indices. Indices is the plural of index and it is the raised to power, a number raised to power. Then we have to do division or multiplication. After that we have to do addition and subtraction. We have to follow this rule to make our calculations correct. If you will not follow the rules, for example in this example 6 plus 3 multiply by 2 minus 1. In this, as per rule, we have to multiply first. That is 6, 3 2 times is 6 and we will write 6 plus as it is and minus 1. Because the rule says we have to multiply it, then we will add 6 and 6, it will be 12 and then we have to subtract 1. So our answer will be 11. We cannot just add the numbers like 6 plus 3 9, then 9 multiplied by 2 is 18, then minus 1 it will be 17. That is totally not correct. So we have to follow this rule to make our calculation correct. In short, this rule can be remembered by just remembering the first digit, and this is called bid mass. BID, bid, B for brackets, I for indices, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition and S for subtraction. Whenever you have all these operations in your question, you have to first of all solve brackets, then you have to solve indices, then you have to do division, then multiplication, then addition and then subtractions. Now let's move to our exercise. If you see exercise 1.5, we have to work out the following. The very first question is 4 plus 3 multiplied by 2 minus 1. So according to the bid mass rule, what I need to do first is multiplication. So I will do 4 plus 3 2 times is 6 and then minus 1. After multiplication, I have to do addition. So 4 plus 6 is 10 and minus 1. After addition, what I need to do is subtraction. So I will subtract 10 minus 1 is 9. So it will be my answer. This is the way in which we have to follow the rule to do our calculations. This is called the order of operations. Now see question number 10. 4 plus 4 is in brackets, then divided by 8 minus 4. Let's see how to do this. Okay, for solving this, we will again follow the same rules. The rules say we have to do the brackets first. So we have these two brackets. We will solve this. Like 4 plus 4 is equal to 16. Then divided by 8 minus 4 is 4. So after this, now I have only one operation left, that is division. So I will divide 16 by 4. So 4 times is 16. It will be my answer. You see, it's really very easy. Now let's do a question from your workbook exercise 1.5. We will do question number 7. So question number 7 from your workbook is 8 plus 22 plus 3 divided by 5. And we know the rule of bid mass that we have to solve the brackets first. So I will solve my brackets first. So I will do 8 plus, what is 22 plus 3? It's 25. Then divided by 5. What I should do after brackets? Indices, we don't have any indices, so we will skip it. Then I have to do division. So I will divide 25 with 5. So 25 divided by 5 is 5. Now only one operation is left, that is addition. So I will add both numbers. 8 plus 5 is 13. It's my answer. You see, it's really very easy. Now you have to do these questions from your book as well as from workbook. If you have any problem, you can ask the question in your Google class. We will explain these to you again. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.